airplane ride today, right? Jimmy Buffett's going to give it to you?
Jimmy's gone, but he said I got rides for life. My life.
Your life. So you want your ride right about now, huh?
Yeah, he said he's a pilot.
JJ, you're going to take him for a flight. You guess. You don't know? Listen, if you're going to take him for a ride, maybe we ought to go and get your dad distracted or something. Yeah, I think it'd be a good idea. Jon Martin, would you please report to the little announcer's room at the west end of the field? All right, here we go. I'm going to go out with him. This is going to be silly.
Yeah, we gotta have a little interlude here between all high performance stuff, so gotta do an airplane ride, and looks like this guy's pink shirt. Want to get the ride he's been asking for, right, Eddie?
Yeah, we're going to give him a ride. Ladies and gentlemen, that's Hobie Washburn in that rather loud shirt. That's J.J. Martin. That's Jon Martin's son there. The kid has grown up a lot, that's for sure. All right, you're going to take it for a, yeah, please dump that rocket fuel out. Just make sure that we get some on the announcer stand at the end of the show. All right, here we go. We're going to have a slight delay on the air show here, folks, but don't worry, we'll get it under control. Hobie, will you go easy with that airplane? It's not your aircraft. All right, here we go. No, don't do that, don't do that. That's delicate, that's a fabric covered airplane. You can do some real damage. You know, for some reason that would look good that way. All right. JJ, help him now with this. I don't know. Jimmy, I don't think this is a good idea. All right, he's getting there. Sorry for the delay, folks, but we in the aviation business know that things happen. Hey, and while things are happening out front here, don't forget Jason Flood is going around. What was that all about? Jason Flood's going around giving autographs for all of you fans out there. Uh-oh.
It's not very nice.
He said, don't hurt me. We may do that later, but right now... All right, JJ, get him in the airplane, get him tied down. Keep his hands away from the controls, please. You heard of 3 sheets to the wind? I think this guy's 4 or 5 sheets to the wind. All right, well, in the meantime, J.J. Martin there, you know, he's turned into quite a pilot. His dad's been helping him learn to fly. He's going to Penn State. He just graduated high school, which is good. I can't wait for the day when J.J. comes up to his dad and says, Dad, I've got this girl that I really want to impress. Can I borrow the keys to the Baron? The world will come to an end at that moment. All right, here we go. All right, JJ's getting in. In just a moment, we're going to get him all started up. I hope.
JJ's been flying with Daddy well, too.
All right, here we go. Today, guys, we do have an air show here, and we're running out of daylight. That's what's called a good Garden engine. Up that road, it's good going. Here we go. Ladies and gentlemen, this ride is going to be once around the pattern, as we call it. It's going to take off, make a left turn, go down the downwind side, make another left turn on the base, make a third left turn on the final approach, land, and then we will get the air show back underway in just a moment, or 2, or 3. Bear with us, everybody, please. We do appreciate your kindness and your concern. All right, now the tricky part here is get the airplane lined up onto the runway. Okay, they're doing an engine check, doing a run-up, which is good. Follow the procedures. Talk about your checklist, make sure it's complete, and that the aircraft is what it should be. And there we go. All right, going to take the runway in just a moment. We're going to put the throttle to it. We're going to get Hobie Washburn his ride, and we will get underway in just a moment here. They're looking a little unsteady out there, aren't they? Okay. Well, in the watchful eyes of J.J. Martin out there, this is going to be okay. All right, wait a minute. Wait. Whoa, hold on. We're doing donuts down here. Why are we doing donuts?
Oh, he's got a thick brake or something.
Oh boy, that would I don't know. JJ's a good pilot, I know this for a fact, but we may have a technical issue with the airplane. I hate when that happens.
Yeah, he's out checking it out.
Oh no, don't tell me. Let me guess, we broke the airplane. Oh no! Whoa! Oh, just what we need, a drunken airplane. Pull up! Pull up! Oh no, 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 no. We can't do this. Oh boy, let me see if I can get him on the airplane. Hobie, are you out there? Hobie, bring the airplane back. Gently, please. Hobie, you know better. You're not a pilot. Well, for one thing, center the stick. You know that thing that your hand should be on? Now pull back a little bit, just a little. That's a little too much. Push! Oh boy. Okay, now you can pull back a tiny little bit. Hobie! Oh, jeez. I hope the insurance is good on this airplane. Hobie, do you read me, buddy? Hobie, push that stick to the right a little bit. Pull back a little bit. To the right and up. Now would be a good time to pull up. Oh, here we go. Come on, Hobie, straighten that airplane out. Well, ladies and gentlemen, we may get to our next act sooner than we thought. Hobie, man, push that stick to the right and pull up a little bit. Easy, gentle little movements. You got to get that airplane in a level flight. No, that is not level flight. All right, Hobie, here's what we're going to do. Push the stick to the right gently. There you go. Well, kind of. A little more, Hobie, just a little more. Houston, we have a problem. All right, Hobie. Hobie, you're looking good. Keep it like that. Don't do anything strenuous. He's actually looking halfway decent right now. He's got altitude, and that worries me. Hobie, you just turned the smoke on. What's that all about? No, you're not on fire. Hobie, you just turned the airplane upside down. Stop that. Bring the airplane down. Hobie, come back. Come back. No, Hobie, you're pulling too much. Oh no. Hobie, you're inverted. You gotta get out of that. Okay, you got out of it. Good. this is pretty much intentional. You're watching Erik Edgren up there doing aerobatics with a T-clip, the clipped wing tailorcraft. They shorten the wings, they put more power in it, and you end up with this airplane here.
And you're going to see it flying tonight with a lot of light.
Exactly, it's part of the night show. As you can see, that airplane is very capable of aerobatics. Very slow series of inside snap rolls. All right, he's got the airplane going up and over there, and I'm going to assume the position back on the announcer stand. Legacy Aviation, McFarlane, Garden Airshow, Power Up, Pure White Smoke Oil, Precision Airmotive, Skyox, Skytech, Software, there you go, ladies and gentlemen, a beautiful slow roll, slow 4-point hesitation roll, thank God. As done by Erik Edgren and the T-clips. There you go. Look at him roll the airplane over. Now notice the roll rate on this airplane is not the same as modern aerobatic aircraft. That's because this airplane, even modified, was never designed to bring that kind of a roll rate. This is what we call gentlemen's aerobatics. They're nice, they're easy to do, they're easy on the plane and the pilot, and they're fun. Here we go. Roll and roll. The idea here is to maintain your altitude, your heading, and your airspeed. All three of them kind of critical. Alright, Erik is going to turn the airplane around, come back inside the box. He's going to give us a wing wag. When he does, I want all of you to wave at Erik Edgren out there. From the right, smoke is on. No, the airplane is not on fire. Here he comes with the wing wag. Everybody's going to roll it inverted. And there it is, hanging by the belt. Let's all wave at Erik Edgren as he goes by. Everybody appreciate that. Here comes the fun part. Landing said airplane.
I'm doing final, folks, time to grab a drink or something to eat, or just find a good spot to watch, because there's a lot more coming. Really quick.
Erik, we really had that airplane leaning into the wind there. And here comes the touch. Oh, look at this. There's one wheel, there's the other. He touches down like that because it saves wear and tear on the left tire.
And as Erik's coming in, Nathan Hammond's going out in the Super Chipmunk. We saw him do some skywriting, and I think he's got something else planned for this one.